This is for our ongoing class on Saturday mornings. We're talking about Boogie Woogie uh, for the song Sea Cruise, and we're doing a Boogie Woogie pattern over an F chord. And I just wanted to show you the pattern. So right hand technique, I'm finger picking. And I'm laying that chord down on the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4 downbeat. And then a C. And we do it again. Now we're going to go to that really cool G7 and turn it into a G7 augmented fifth by putting our baby finger on the A string on the 6th fret. So I'm going to turn the drum on super slow so we can just practice that little solo, which is following the contours of the chord in the intro and on the bridge. And we're going to do this twice in the intro, and we're going to do it instead of singing bridge 2. So here's our slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to strum this. Two different techniques with my right hand. I was finger picking, and then I was doing a little flick kind of strum pattern that I like to do because I want to get a little bit more energy happening in the song. So I keep my thumb resting on the G string, and I'm just flicking like that. So let's just play this solo together, and then we'll do the whole song. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So on. So let me ramp up the tempo here. We're doing it 1:30. A 1, 2, here's the tempo. A 1, 2, 3, 4. No use sitting and singing the blues. So be my guest, you got nothing to lose. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, baby, won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Do you like jumping, baby? Won't you join me, please? Begging, but now I'm on bended knees. I gotta get a rock and get my head all right. I gotta boogie woogie like a knife in the back. So be my guest, you got nothing to lose. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee. Baby, won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Well, I gotta get a moving, baby, I ain't lying. My heart is beating rhythm and it's right on time. So be my guest, you got nothing to lose. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby. Won't you take me on a sea cruise? Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise?